Hey, what's up, YouTube? Mr. Hands here, back at you again with another instructional video. This video is going to be on how to install filters for those of you that don't quite understand how they should go and how air flows in your furnace. Now, wherever, if you can find a spot where the air filter goes on your furnace, the air is going to flow towards the furnace. Okay. It's not going to flow away from the air filter. It's going to flow through the air filter, then through your furnace. The air filter, it actually does two things. For one, the main thing the filter does, it protects your equipment. Okay, it protects the equipment. So you want to make sure you get a nice filter to protect your equipment. They got cheap filters like this here. These only good for like 30 days, but you want to get you a nice filter to really protect your filter. The second thing it does, the filter, it actually kind of cleans the air in your home. So if you have a lot of pet dander and dust and things like that, this can help out a lot with that. But okay, now let's go ahead to what the real instruction of this video is. Okay, like I said, the air is going to flow towards your equipment, right? So there should be an arrow on your filter. Now that arrow is actually should be pointing at your furnace. Now, if you got a filter that doesn't have an arrow, maybe it has this metal mesh on it, okay? Now, if it has this metal mesh on it, put this metal mesh closer to the furnace. And what that's going to do is actually help keep all this filter stuff inside of the filter package without being sucked up into the furnace, if it ever got to that point. But that's another extra added protection there. But the main thing is, like I said, if you got an arrow on there, the air is going to flow towards the furnace. The filter always goes in at the end of the return. So if you know what your return is in your filter, like this one here, I'm going to go ahead and change mine out real fast. This thing is pretty tough. It's a homemade little device just to keep that filter in check. Out like that. And as you can see here, folks, see all that dirt and everything this is catching, and that side just to keep that mesh inside of there. So it's doing a great job, but it's time for it to go. Now, another thing you can do, I change mine out once every year. I'm sorry, yeah, once a year. I got a pretty good filter here, so it go through two seasons, winter and summer. When winter comes, I change it. You can write the date on your filter. Some even come with a little place for you to do so. But the main thing is make sure your filter is going the right way when you insert it. Put it in like so. If you got a guard for your furnace filter, you can go ahead and put that back on there. And that's that. Now, back to these right here. I was showing you, if you got a property that's empty or something, maybe you got low on money or something, they make a quick little cheap 30-day little filter. Like I said, this is just to protect the equipment. It's really nothing to do with the air quality in the home. Now, this right here, as you can see, it's only good for 30 days. And I would say you can use these, but I wouldn't use these if you're using the furnace every day for that 30 days. Now, if you got like an empty property, you might turn the furnace on just to show it or something like here and there every now and then it's okay to probably use one of those. But other than that, get you a nice quality filter. It's set you back a couple of dollars. It shouldn't, but it's a well investment. Most filters don't cost that much nowadays anyway. So that is to give you guys heads up on how to change your filter, which direction they should be facing. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.